Alrighty guys, today I'm going to make something for a special no-bake dessert, Oreo Cheesecake Bars. I'm going to use, starting with the food processor, then I'm going to crush in about 24 Oreo cookies. That's going to be for the crust. And you want to make it very nice and brown. Now remember when I made for the super no-bake cheesecake with the whole of the springform pan? I'm just going to put this in a link to the description box below at the end of this video if you want to see it. So let me just get this through. Or you just put it in, let's put the lid on. I'm going to post these until you get nice crumbs. Alright, let's check how this crumb's going. Oreo cookie crumbs has probably much right about it. So let's put this first into the large bowl. Let's put this into the large bowl. See how clumsy it was. I'm going to pour that I've been melted for 4 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to be using salted butter. Get that really incorporated to get nice and soil. This one's almost just perfect. I'm guessing about 5 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to put this for an 8-inch square pan. Has been already lined it with parchment paper. Then we're going to put this. And we're going to press it down using one of the batter spoons. Just want to make sure to pack it down. We're going to put this in the freezer for later. I'm going to finish the rest. Alright, next we're going to make a batter. I'm putting 2 8-ounce packages of room temperature cream cheese. And I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. These are Philadelphia original cream cheese. Need to soften up at room temperature. So let's beat that really smooth. Alright. I'm going to put 3/4 cups of confectioners sugar. So let's beat over. Just want to make sure to scraping the sides of the bowl occasionally. Down and the bottom. Gonna use it with a rubber spatula. Yeah, just really nice and smooth, almost. And we're going to whip it up with the heavy cream. Now, into this for the frozen medium bowl, I'm going to pour 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Want to over whip it on high until it's nice and thickened. These ones all whipped together. Now we're going to add the whipped cream to that for the cream cheese mixture. And just fold it gently. Making sure to stir around occasionally. These batter just fold into that. I'm going to put more of the Oreo cookies. I chopped it with about 14. And fold it in. Alright, let's just pour those batter has been folded after with the Oreo cookies to chop with. That goes right on top, has been already freeze this crust. Going to spread it over very evenly. Now I'm going to sprinkle with the remaining of the Oreo cookies that have been chopped 10. You can put more if you can, whatever you decide. Just stick it right on top after it's just spread. We're almost there. Let's put this back in the freezer. Has been already topped on with more Oreos. That's going to take about 4 hours until the batter is just firm. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. Here we are. It's been after 4 hours in the freezer. I just already took it out. Now what you want to do, you're going to lift this from the pan. I'm probably sure this might be they'll be able to trick. Here we are. Lift that really easy. Just place it onto the cutting board. You can go ahead, just peel off the parchment paper. I'm going to cut this into 16 square. Okay, use this one with a very sharp knife. You can see how the nice and solid, just touch and firm. Here we go. That looks just perfect. Here you go, you have a finished no-bake Oreo cheesecake bars. Lots of Oreos inside, and the inside and the bottom too. Hope you get to try this. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Always have to make sure to view always watch before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.